And dear students, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about acid rains. That is how acid rains are formed and how it affect the environment and human health. That we are going to discuss. Nowadays, thermal energies are having an important role in world, particularly in power generation plant. It has a major role. That thermal energies are produced by burning various type of fuels. For example, by using solid fuels like coal and liquid fuel like diesel and petrol, and also by using gaseous fuel like LPG gases. Industries, power stations and running vehicles are using these type of fuels to produce thermal energy, that is heat energy. When these fuels are burnt, various type of chemicals are evolved in the form of smoke. The evolved smokes not only contain the visible grey particles what we are seeing, but the smokes also contains several invisible gases, especially sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, etc. These evolved gases, that is SO2, sulfur dioxide, NO2 and CO2, carbon dioxide, which are very harmful to the environment and also to the human health. These three gases, SO2, NO2, CO2, are mixed with the atmospheric oxygen and they pollute the atmospheric air significantly. So when we breathe the polluted air, we will have respiratory problems. Sulfur dioxide are also evolved from volcanic gases. So the main sources for the evolution of sulfur dioxide is volcanic process. These sulfur dioxide gases are mixed with the tiny water droplets present in clouds, that is, the sulfur dioxide gases are dissolved in water droplets present in the clouds and is converted into sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So after forming sulfuric acid, the atmosphere becomes acidic medium. That is, the pH comes down below 7. See the following reaction. SO2, that is sulfur dioxide, evolved from the burning of fuel, plus of O2, that is atmospheric oxygen, plus H2O, the water droplets present in atmosphere. These are mixed and is converted into sulfuric acid H2SO4. Like this, the nitrogen dioxide are mixed with atmospheric water droplets and is converted into nitric acid. As per the following reaction. So NO2 plus half O2 plus H2O gives nitric acid. Like this, the carbon dioxide, which is also evolved from burning of fuel, also mixed with or dissolved in water droplets of atmosphere and is converted into carbonic acid. So H2O, so atmospheric water droplets plus CO2, evolved gas, carbon dioxide, gives H2CO3. H2CO3 is nothing but carbonic acid. So, after the conversion of these three gases, SO2, NO2 and CO2 into sulfuric acid, nitric acid and carbonic acid, the atmosphere becomes acidic medium. Normally, the rainwater is the purest form of water in the world because it has the pH of around 7 and does not have any impurities and dissolved salt. But in this area, that is where these gases are dissolved and converted into sulfuric acid, nitric acid and carbonic acid, when in this area rain comes, these are mixed with rainwater and falls as very weak acid on the earth. So the rainwater also converted into acidic medium. This process is called acid rain. This acid rain has many ecological effects. Particularly, it has an impact in lake, stream, wetlands and aquatic environment. When acid rain falls on the earth, the groundwater pH also becomes acidic medium. Hence, that groundwater cannot be used for drinking and cooking purpose. When this acidic rainwater reaches the water bodies, the pH of water bodies also coming down into acidic medium. Hence it affects the aquatic lifespan. Thank you.